Did you know that dropping out is a serious problem because it denies individual students their fundamental human right to education? That is, according to Orion and Cavalida 2014. A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Mary Ayan Dichosa of Golden Heritage Polytechnic College, Cagayan de Oro City, with my co-author, Dr. Jimbo Fuentes of Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, and will be presenting our paper titled Students' Educational Experiences, Program Resources, and Students' Retention in Private Schools. This interest in retention and attrition rates is brought about the fact that schools ought to be knowledgeable of their retention and attrition rates because it speaks of both of its reputation and of its business aspects, especially for private schools. The research assumed that the students' retention is influenced by students' educational experiences and the school's provision for its program resources. This assumption was previously studied and discussed by Sigismundo 2016 and Pinto as cited by Mimic 2008. This study utilized the variables of Dr. Maria Corazon Sigismundo. Specifically, for students' overall educational experiences were grouped according to enrollment services and procedures, finance services and procedures, academic integration, social integration, and institutional commitment. On the other hand, the research looked into faculty, classroom resources, library resources, instructional media resources, laboratory facilities, student services, and budgetary allocation for school infrastructures. This study used the descriptive method. The quantitative data were augmented by interviews among some school administrators and focus group discussion of some of the respondents. The respondents are the fourth-year college students who have spent their 4 years in college in the same institution. Looking at Table 1, the table shows that from 658 enrolled in academic year 2016-2017, only 21% of these students have remained in School A. And for School B, out of 185 students, only 27% remain. Looking at Table 2, looking at the model, per unit change of students' educational experiences, there is an increase of 0.264 students' retention, and per unit change on program resources, there is an increase of 0.507 on students' retention. Indeed, the study found out that the students' educational experiences and program resources influence retention. It is important for schools to look closely the components for each variable mentioned so that it can improve itself and thereby retaining the students that they have. That ends our presentation. May God bless us all.